Welcome to the Chiko and Roko Digital Toys Collection platform. You will always find the current drop and all the information related to the project on the main page of the website. That includes previously released drops as well as a roadmap and a link to the FAQ section. Would you like to be the first to pick up the figurine? Join the chats or social networks. Links to them can be found at the very bottom of the main page of the site. Under that, you will find an interactive roadmap. You are welcome to offer your ideas for the development of the project and report errors and bugs. The footer of the site contains 3 important forums that you should pay attention to. Become a partner is for potential project partners. Join as 3D artist is for artists. And technical support is for resolving any technical problems that might arise while using the website. The catalog contains all the figurines that have been released. Add your favorite figurines to your wish list so you can add them to your collection later. The marketplace sells figurines, accessories, blind boxes, and loot boxes. Buy them for gold in the store or on the secondary market or the community market. Browse through the figurines you've assembled in the collections. Find the one you need and take memorable photos using AR. Use the search bar to find the figurines you're looking for in the catalog. The gold tab contains a referral link. Invite friends to the project and earn gold, which can be spent on missing toys, accessories, and loot boxes. If you don't have enough gold, you can purchase it by paying with a bank card or crypto. Your personal account contains your activity index and the rules for using the project. Remember that you can increase your activity index by adding links to your social network pages to your personal account.